Well, this is Deb's Cucina time. Are you looking for really good salad dressing? Dairy-free, gluten-free? This one is from a Japanese restaurant, so it's fresh ginger. We're gonna start with a half cup of onion. We're gonna add a half cup of peanut oil and a quarter cup of rice vinegar. I have a little bit more than 2 tablespoons of ginger because we really like the flavor. 2 medium stalks of celery. We'll stick that in there. And this is 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a half a tablespoon of sugar. I juiced a tablespoon of lemon juice. I threw the small garlic in there already, and we're just gonna go ahead and get this all started up. You can add some salt and pepper if you like. Or you can add some water if you need it. I didn't think I needed it with all the onion juice and celery juice and everything. Here it is. And this is great like on fish, on salad. It's a wonderful dressing and I hope you do try it. Thanks for joining me.